Hi my kids, hope you all are fit and fine and eagerly waiting for your online classes. So here I am back again with lesson 14 standard 3 language was and were. In this part 1 of the video is the explanation part. So turn to your English Collins Grammar language book and turn to the page number 59 lesson 14. Let's get started. Lesson 14 was and were. Was and were are the past tense forms of the verb is and are. You can also say that it's used in the simple past tense. In simple present tense verb we use is and are, but for past we use was and were. First, read these sentences. The river was blue in color. The room was shut for a long time. That was my toy. It was cold last night. Here you see. The river was blue in color was past tense. The room was shut for a long time was past tense. That was my toy was past tense. It was cold last night was past tense. But can you see one thing? River, singular noun. Room, singular noun. That we use for singular pronoun. It also we use for singular pronoun. So here was verb is applied. In these sentences, the main person, place, animal or thing is singular in number. We use was with singular nouns. The pronouns he, she and it, and with this and that also we use was in singular noun. So look at these sentences. The stars were very bright in the sky. These were my toys. Those books were in the library. These pictures were on the wall. So here you see the stars, plural in number. These, plural pronoun. Those books, those plural. These pictures, plural. So here we have used were. We have used were. In these sentences, the main person, place, animal or thing is plural in number. We use were with plural nouns. Every time, remember children, we use were with plural noun and was with singular noun. Don't get confused. The pronouns you, we and they, and with these, those and their. Remember, as I have taught you earlier, that you, singular or plural, in present tense are we use, verb are is used. Same here, if it is the past tense, you, singular in number or plural in number, we will use the verb were for simple past tense. So here you see. Remember children, generally was is used for singular object and were is used for plural objects. So you will use was with I, he, she and it, while you will use were with you, we and they when they will be in plural in number. Here you see, where is used when the number of objects or entities exceeds 1. Was is used when only one object or entity is being referred to. Every time remember, was the first and the third person singular past tense form of to be. Means first person is whom? I. Third person he, she, it, third person. With that singular in number we use the verb was. Example, when I was young, I admired clever people. Here you see, I first person, singular in number was. He was elected by an unanimous vote. So here was he, third person. Her hair was tied up with a yellow ribbon. Her third person, singular. The skirt was too big around the waist. So here skirt, singular number, so was. The story was too gobs to believe. So here also the story singular in number, was we have used. Here you see the examples of where. The second person singular and plural past tense form of to be, the first and third person plural past tense of to be. Here you see second person. Second person is you. May it be in singular or plural, the past tense form of to be is were. Examples: the windows were covered in wire, windows, so were. Plural in form. Okay, now you see here. Her sunglasses were perched on her head. The children, plural, were. The soldiers were diagnosed as having flu, so soldiers, plural form, were. So they were very ambitious for their children, they were. So every time remember, the second person singular and plural past tense is were, and second person is what? Second person is you. First person I, she, it, they, we. These all are third person. Remember, children. So your work is to go through all the examples, learn one, read once. Okay, and in the next part of the video I will give you the exercises. You will write and learn where to use was. Remember, singular nouns we use was, and with plural nouns past tense we use were. Okay, in the next part of the video we will do the exercises. Till then, take a very good care of yourself. Thank you.